In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create or edit a repeating invoice template in Xero. This process will take you about 5 minutes to complete, and by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to streamline your invoicing routine. First things first, let's dive into your Xero account. Go ahead and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, click on the login button. In the fields that appear, enter your email and password, then click login again to access your account. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, it might be a good idea to do so for added security. Not crucial for today's setup, but something to consider. Once you're in the dashboard, start by locating the Business tab on the main menu and click on it. This is your central hub for all things related to your business finances. From the drop-down, choose Invoices. This section is where you can manage all existing invoices and create new ones. By centralizing everything in the Invoices section, Xero makes managing your billing efficient and straightforward. Now, to add a new repeating invoice, find the New Invoice drop-down. Click on it and then select New Repeating Invoice from the options. This functionality is incredibly useful for recurring clients or regular projects, as it saves time and reduces the risk of making errors from creating each invoice manually. Next, you'll want to set up the details of your repeating invoice. At this point, take a moment to plan out the frequency, whether it's weekly, monthly, or another interval, and fill in all necessary details like the customer's information, invoice date, and any other relevant details. Be meticulous, as these details will repeat with each invoice cycle. Once you've entered all the required information to your satisfaction, click on Save. This ensures all your work so far is not lost. If you forget this step, you might find yourself needing to start over, so it's a crucial one to remember. After saving, the system may prompt you to enter an email address. This is typically where you want the invoices to be sent when they are generated. Enter the most relevant email contact for your customer or client to ensure they receive every invoice promptly. Lastly, once you're completely finished, click on Done. This final step confirms that everything is set up correctly, and your repeating invoices will be sent out according to the schedule you set up. And there you have it, you've now created a repeating invoice in Xero, streamlining your billing process and freeing you up for other tasks. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to revisit the tutorial or look for resources within Xero's help section. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.